What's going on, guys? I'm gonna try and make a new, video segment, new type of video. This week I found cooked silkworms at a pretty big Chinese market around here. Now these videos are gonna be mostly just to Americans, weird eats, weird, creepy, disgusting looking eats. So I thought I'd start small with these little worms. I've looked up online how to cook them up in different ways, and I think I found one that I'll at least attempt. So first things first, we gotta get these suckers thawed. Okay, so let's throw these little guys into some water to quicken up their thawing, because they are essentially just an ice block. Let's see if I can get a good shot of this. There we go. See, they're just a complete block of ice. So let's see what happens. Get them wet. There we go. Now we play the waiting game. Time to drain. Okay, so what I did was I put some brown sugar, some salt, and some seasoning on it. Cooked it at 400 for 15 minutes. Now I'm just letting it cool off before I try it. Sure you don't want to try one? They're weird. No. Well, a little bit. I don't think that would be so bad if they didn't have the mushy center. No, she's still thinking about it. I tried to get Becky over there and she picked it up and moved it out of the way. They were not bad, but they had an odd texture. They were like wet chicken. Very wet chicken. Watery chicken. I probably won't ever eat them again, but hey, I can say I've eaten silkworm. So until next time, peace.